What is up, party people? Welcome to Moncton, New Brunswick. I don't know if you can tell, I am exceptionally tired, and I can't decide why. Here in Moncton, we got to do one of my favorite activities, hockey. We didn't play hockey, we went to a hockey game. That's not me skating. I think this is the first time we've gotten to do something at a venue before we played it. We went to a Moncton Wildcats game. The Wildcats play in the QMJHL, and right now they're in playoff season, so we went to a playoff game. After Stephen, Brenna, and I went to the Wildcats game, I met up with Zach and we were gonna go get some food, but the place we were gonna go to was closing. So we found ourselves at this restaurant that also had live music. And we were trying to decide, are we gonna go to see this band that we don't know? It's $35. It's kind of a steep cover for a band that we haven't heard any of their music yet. While we're talking about this, a guy named Henry, who was affiliated with the band, I think he's the band manager, put us on the list and let us go see the show because we were talking about our show, and it was awesome. You gotta check out Winter Sleep. I'll put a link in the doobly-doo. Oh man, were they killer. I wanted to stick around and chat with their lead guitarist about his gear, but I also didn't want to be that guy. And it was getting pretty late, so went to bed at a reasonable hour instead. Check out Winter Sleep, freaking dope. They put on a great show. Here in Moncton, we played the Avenir Center. I really hope I'm saying that right. This is another arena, obviously. We watched a hockey game there. Probably wouldn't watch a hockey game at a theater. That'd be weird. I'd do it, don't get me wrong. There's something very cool about doing the show and looking out in the audience and seeing where I had just been sitting watching somebody getting slammed into the boards. Moncton was a great town. We had a great time here. We got to spend 2 nights here, so we got to actually explore a little bit. But today we're heading to Kitchener, Ontario. It's gonna be a good time. Gonna play some Dungeons and Dragons. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers.